The riders, MTechnics is super excited to introduce the belt drive transmission system for your favorite Royal Enfield Super Meteor 650. And I would like to welcome you to the installation guide so that you can purchase from our e-commerce stores and you can do it yourself. The belt drive transmission system consists of major three components. The first thing is the rear pulleys made of a specially treated steel alloys, and the cute nice front pulley, and the Gates polychain GT carbon belt. So please pay close attention. By this video you are going to learn the proper way of installing the belt drive system on your favorite Super Meteor 650. When it comes to the front pulley area, I would like to share a very important information for you. Here on the stock, here's a sleeve. MTechnics is providing a sleeve which is shorter in length. You can see the difference, and every sleeve has got two different sides. One is plain and another one has got a groove out here. The groove area has to go inside. So this has to be taken care of while installing the front pulley.